Welcome once again. You're watching English with Akram, and we have debate once again. And topic of the debate is that should AI tools or robots replace human teachers in schools or not? So, without any further delay, we should start, and you stop there. So, uh, both the teams are ready, and everyone has come. So, we must start now. So, first, I would like to call from this team.
So, hello everyone, my name is Sabah and today we are here to debate on our supercalifragilisticexpialidocious topic that is about the robots. That should we replace the human teachers with the robotic teachers? So, my answer is no. Means, in my opinion, I think that robotic teachers should not replace the human teachers. Why? Let's talk about it. Human teachers are more than just knowledge providers. For a short while, just think about your favorite teacher. What made them special for you? Was it just their knowledge or it was something more? Definitely, it was something more because they do not teach us just bookish knowledge. They are mentors, they are role models, they are our friends. They help us to grow, they help us to learn, even they help us to make us successful in our life. Okay, and they help us, they understand us, they help us through our tough times. They make learning fun. Even they make a boring subject fun. So these all are the qualities which made your teacher special for you. And I think that a robot can never have these all the qualities. Okay, and if I talk about the real life experience, means the important life skills. Our human teachers do not just teach us maths or science. They teach us they help us to grow our important life skills like communication skills, teamwork skills, and problem solving skills. And these skills are more important for getting success in the life. And I think that these skills no one can teach in a better way that as humans can, because they have experience, they have faced the problems in the life. And if I talk about a robot, so they never faced any problem in the life, they never struggled, so they cannot teach you these type of skills. And I am not saying that AI can't be helpful in the education, it definitely can, but I think that the future of the education should be mix of both human teachers and AI tools. AI tools can help with the things like data analyzing and the grading, so that human teachers can also do their best in teaching, mentoring, and inspiring. Okay, done. Assalamu alaikum to everyone. I am Fabia, and once again, we all have gathered here to do debate on a very amazing, captivating, and paramount topic, which is in the regard of that should robot replace human teachers or not. In my perception, robots should replace human teacher. At first, I would like to talk about the money. Our government can save money. How? You know how much money our government is giving to the government teacher? 3.4.38 lakh rupees. Is it less for them? They are talking about expensive. Means robots are too much expensive. What about the humans teacher? After getting retirement, they get the pension also. So at the time, money is also being spent by our government. At the time, it is not expensive. It is expensive also. So every coin has two faces. So focus on both sides. Okay, first thing. Secondly, they all are talking about the way of teaching, way of teaching, way of teaching. Let me tell you the way of teachers. How do they teach to the students, especially in government school? What do they do? What do they do? They come in the class. They do not teach at first. If they are teaching, what do they teach? Just whatever is written in the book, they teach that. Not by themselves, they teach. They teach whatever is in the book. And if you have any question, any query, so why do you ask? They will not give you reply once. They will also take the help of AI. After that, they give the answer. Firstly, they do not give answer as far as I know. And they're talking about the way of teaching. So I would say it is good. Best, as Rimshapi talked about the Indian schools, it is too much good, best, amazing. So why people abuse in the class? Why students abuse in the class? Why teachers are not able to control them? Is it good system? I don't think so. And as Itika was telling that all the students are passed at the time of exams, so teachers are not teaching us. So the answer is that more than 25 or 30% students fail also every year. So focus here also. Okay, you cannot say that just because of the government teachers, students are passing with the help of their academic teacher. They are passing. Okay, it's not about just school teachers. Third thing, as Sabha was talking about the dangerous knowledge, what kind of dangerous knowledge they will provide you, sister? They will provide, yeah, you were saying it will be dangerous, they will provide you dangerous knowledge. So I would say it will not happen. They are here for teaching you. They are here for telling you the future, for telling you the way of teaching, for telling you everything what is right and what is wrong. They will not provide you dangerous knowledge at all, as I think. Now you can speak. Okay, now I would like to give some answers of my opponents. First of all, I would like to give answer to Afshapi and Shabnam Api. They both mentioned about the education system of the India. Like in the education system of India, there are human teachers. They are comparing the India with the Finland. Like in Finland, human teachers are teaching, and that country is a developed country. So why not India? So the answer of this question is the citizens. You know, citizens are not aware. They do not have the knowledge. That is why our country is not developed. If the citizens of the country will be aware and will be educated, so definitely our country will be a developed country. So we should work on ourselves, not on the education system of India. If the citizens would be good, so definitely education will become good automatically. Okay. Firstly, I would like to give answer to Khalid brother, as he was talking about the unemployment, that there is unemployment in India. So brother, listen to me very carefully. What happened? Okay. So listen to me very okay. Listen to me very carefully. In IIT sector. Should I speak? Okay, so I would like to give answer to Khalid brother, as he was talking about the unemployment. So I just want to tell, in IIT sector, in tech industry, in hardware sector, in software engineer, jobs will increase also. If robots are replacing in place of human teachers, it is not like that. From everywhere, from the job, from the offices, from the business, there will not be any kind of human. There will be humans. Just in place of teachers, we are replacing. Our government is replacing robots. And why? For our betterment, let me speak. For our betterment, our government is doing something first time, so let it be, please. Okay, so now I would like to give answer to Sanya, sister, as she mentioned about the development, like robots are futuristic. They can make the future of the country. So I would say yes. Robots may look shiny and futuristic, but they do not have the most important thing, the human heart. Okay, and that is more important thing. Education is not only about the facts, it's about values, it's about importance. Okay, so we should learn these all type of things. So I would say that government teacher. One more thing. Yeah, there was an incident that a robot committed suicide because of the burden. So I want to say that if the robot will be in the India, so you all can see the condition of the government schools, how much students are first. Naughty. Sorry. So we can see in the India, in government schools, how much students are naughty. If robot will come there, so screws will be here and other parts will be here. So it will be like this in the India, and day in, day out, robots will commit suicide. Will it be good?
Oh my God, now listen to me.
Do you have this much money to make a robot again and again?
She's talking about what the condition of government school, boys, girls. The one part will be here, second part will be here. Listen to me very, very carefully. The condition of government boys and girls. Why it is like that? Because of the teachers. Because teachers teaches them. And it's because of them. It's because of their carelessness. Let me give you answer first. As you're all and some people were talking about the electricity. So let me give you example. Suppose I am a robot. And how am I teaching? There is wire and it is connected here with me. I am going and I am teaching. I am running. I am teaching. Suddenly, electricity went. What will happen then? It will be stopped like this. It will not teach. How can it be? Our government is mad. Tell me. Of course not. Our government will do work for that also. There is a battery. There, with the help of battery, they will teach 24/7 you. You know, it will not happen.
So they all are mentioning that we should replace the human teachers. So according to the humans, our mother is our first teacher. Should we replace our mothers as well? Of course not. It can't be.
Sabha, you are... Okay, listen to me now. I agree with you. So I would like to tell you one thing. In the realms of education, Who can force you to win? Just only robots can force you to win the race of education, not robotic teachers. And for the development of country, we need technology, we need robotic teachers. We can take the example of Japan, China.
You know, in spite of spending money on the robots, we should spread the awareness among the teachers. We should make the strict rules for the teachers. Then our education system can work.
Students are not listening teachers, so how the teacher can listen the government? Tell, they will not listen. So there should be robotic teacher that they could listen the humans too.
So, in starting, I forgot to mention about this pen. Last time I mentioned. So, that who is winner of it? So, first I will announce it. I bought one, but I will give three because the winners are three. The first one is Miss Sabha. First means actually you are first today, and then second is Fabiha, and third is Miss who would be. Third is Miss Zoya. Shocked. Now listen numbers. So Sania got 7.5, and Bashir got 8, and Zoya got 9 out of 10. Rukaya got 8. Rukaya made many mistakes while speaking. Errors she made. Naz got 6.5. Khalid also got 6.5. Shabnam got 7.5, and Rimsha got 9. Amreen got 6.5. Khalid again got 6.5. And Khalid is a kind of compliment for you because these people against whom you spoke, they have been learning for years, especially Amreen Api. But you matched them. Afsha got 9. Safia got 9.5. You were asking me mistakes. You spoke good, your points were good, but there is fluency. Okay. ये लास्ट वाला टर्न था ना, ऐसा मांगता मेरे को. और जो इधर बाजी खड़ी थी ना, ठीक है, इधर भी खतरनाक था, लेकिन इधर वाली के जो पॉइंट्स थे और जो एक्सप्रेशंस, जो कॉन्फिडेंस आया चेहरे पे आज, ओहो क्या ही कहने, वैसा ही चाहिए हमको. एंड देन केम Amreen Maji got 8. Ilma got 7.5, and Fabia got, actually she got 10 out of 10, but I would say that 13 on 10. And to Sabha, I would say that she also got 10 out of 10, but I would say that 15 on 10. Okay, so I would like to announce which team is winner. Real. So, who's the captain of this team? So, Fabia's team scored 73. We've done it. And